Hi, my name is Mayur. We are discussing about MGD Outliers package and its Outlier Ninja class. In this video, we will talk about the detect outliers method. From get outlier count and plot outlier count methods, we can see how many outliers are present in the dataset. But what if I want to extract the subset of the data based on a particular column where these outliers are present? That's where detect outliers method comes into the picture. Let's jump to the Jupyter notebook and see the results. I have used the similar setup as that of my last videos. I have imported basic libraries and car crash dataset. I have also plotted the box plots for all the numeric columns, which shows that there are few outliers in alcohol and not distracted column. Also, I imported Outlier Ninja from MGD Outliers and already created and trained an object of this class. So now let's see how we can extract the rows where outliers are present based on a particular column. For this, I will call the detect outlier method on the object and pass column name into the argument based on which I want to detect the outliers. So I will write outliers dot detect outliers and I will pass, let's say I want to detect outliers based on alcohol column. So I will pass alcohol in the argument and run the code, and this is the result. You can see the output where column name is highlighted based on which the outliers are detected. Here comes an important part. This is not a data frame object. The output that you get here is a styler object. We can validate this using this code, and I will just pass it here, and it will show you that the type is styler. Styler object is different from data frame object as you cannot perform operations on styler object that you usually perform on data frames. For example, if I want to check the shape of this styler object, it will throw an error saying that the styler object has no attribute shape. But don't worry, in case you want to have this output as data frame, you simply need to set styler argument to false. So I will write the same code, but this time I will set styler argument to false, and the output that you see here is now a data frame object. We can again confirm this by checking the type of this object. So I will just pass this here, and now you can see it is a pandas data frame object. This method helps you when you want to analyze the data where outliers are present, or you want to get the indices where these outliers are hiding. Possibilities are infinite. Do let me know in the comment section if you find this video helpful. I will look forward to meeting you once again in the next video. Thanks for watching.